Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this one is on how to do proper prep before you even do a acrylic application, gel application, putting tips down, whatever. This is my process that I've been using for 5 years, so I figured I'll show you a video of detail on proper application of prep. So this is my mom's hand, and she had it set on for a month, so she had two balances in between the sets that was on there. And I'm just going with my cuticle pusher. I have a metal one. I sanitize it after every client. Every client. I just like this better than orange, what they call the orange sticks. They're like disposable ones. So yeah. She wasn't paying no attention. And you'll see me tap people's hands. They be like, oh. But yeah. And I was telling my mom, make sure you use cuticle oil. She was like, I got some castor oil. I got some castor oil. Yeah, okay, castor oil. I said cuticle oil because you'll see that I have a hard time on, I think it might have been her index finger, where I had to use the other end of it and push it like up because it was like stuck on her skin. So I told her, make sure you use cuticle oil like right there. Like you don't want to keep pushing and like cut your, because you could cut your client because these is really 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 sharp. So I just took it and I just scraped it to where I was able to push it more in. So I'll let y'all watch. Now I have a ball bit. This ball bit is my handy dandy tool, you might as well say. But it gets in close around the cuticle that we can clean up more. I just love this thing. I got this off of Amazon. I'm gonna link my Amazon link below so y'all can go purchase all the things that I've used on my YouTube channel and my podcast. Oh yeah, and make sure y'all subscribe to watch my podcast because I'm gonna bring heat, nail talk, nail trends, nail anatomy, everything to my podcast. But yeah, so you just want to go in depth, and I use nippers too, which I didn't really need to. I just got her like using nippers for her skin, like her like some of her nails that was like kind of shredded a little bit. But just make sure you go in there smoothly. Don't do it so rough, and you just go around and just clean it up. Like it's satisfying to watch this. Like really, really satisfying. So I'm gonna let y'all finish. So yeah, I did use it and get her some of the cuticles that was left, some of the dead skin from me pushing it back and using the ball bit. But you just wanna. I usually use scissors, but I don't have know how to buy some. But I just like clean up the area. Like you'll see that I'll grab some of her like shredded nail that's left on her skin, and I didn't have a fine sanding band to smooth out. So I just went in with a 80/80 grit nail file and already seasoned my file as always. And I just clean up her nail. And that was it. I'll let y'all finish watching. This is just a short video just to show my prep because I haven't did prep in a minute. I don't believe. I'm trying to think. Nope, I haven't. So it's another video. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I love y'all. I really do. And I'll see you on the next video. So I'm going to let y'all continue watching.